back down the hill from the top of the islandy bit. Lovely, nice little walk. Had to dodge a few seagulls because they're doing their nesting. So you've got to be careful that you don't get dive bombed by the occasional seagull, but they're pretty cool, I suppose. I'd be defending my egg as well. There's one that.
Not a few, there's a lot.
That's okay, Mrs. Seagull. You sit on your egg and do a nice job. Good seagull. There's a good seagull. I'm sure the dad seagull's ready to peck me in the head if I disturb that poor mummy. Yeah, they're hiding everywhere, aren't they? All stuffed in the crannies and slash and all nooks. Well, at least we've got lovely weather today again. It's beautiful. In the 20s, which is what you want when you come on holiday. Opportunity to slip over on this piece, I think. Just going cautiously there. Seagull keeping duties on that wall. Hello, Mr. Seagull. Are you checking out to make sure no one's going near your nest? I think you are. You should be collecting some sand eels to bring home to the wife. Got to watch out for the seagulls because they're zooming around here. Benidorm over there, that weird building with the triangle point bit at the top. Hello! 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 Or maybe they don't understand, maybe it's Ola over here. Maybe they don't understand hello. We should try Ola next time, but it sounds like hello! The laughing seagull. Chuckle factor 6. They're all hiding behind the shrubberies. And you don't know they're there till they pop out like that. Hola, 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 hello, hola. I think it's still hello. Just keep walking, the bird will fly off. Bye bye, birdie. Oh, he's right above us doing the hover thing. He was a gruff one, wasn't he? He was like, definitely don't come near my egg. You keep away from the egg. Has he come back again to redefend the area? Oh, seagulls and seagulls. It's alright, I'm not coming near. I'm going right over this side. Look, Mrs. Gull. There we go. That's alright, I'm not coming near you as well. Don't be bothered. Relax, chillax, birdie. No harm meant. I didn't bring any sand eels in my pocket, so I can't give you a treat. Although in Great Yarmouth, a cone of chips is a treat. Swooping in, getting the chips out your chips, or sneak your sausage. A greedy one will nick the tail end of your cod. Look at them all just relaxing there. Look. Do 'em eggs, do 'em eggs, do 'em looking out. Good birds. Morning. Oh look, she's just got off of her egg. Lovely colour. She's obviously hot. Thought, oh, nip and get a quick drink and then come back and do some more egg sitting. Probably, in fairness, the egg keeps warm enough without her sitting on it. Egg's probably quite happy when she gets off. Whew, I'd miss it. And getting the, oh god, sneaky seagull. That was heavy sausage. And getting the, oh god, sneaky seagull. That was luxury boat. Look at that. That's when you know you've done very well in life, when you've got a lovely boat like that. Because that's just tons of cash. Wow, what a thing. I mean, I'd like to have a go on it. I don't think I'd want to own it, because I work too hard for my money to see it get spent in maintenance. And getting a sneaky seagull, that was heavy sausage.
Okay.
Yeah, the seagull shot right out by my feet. He came a look and thought my toes were delicious snacks, I think. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. There's another hiding one. Hello! 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 Oh, these ones look much angrier. Well, luckily I can't smell it due to my blocked up nose, but I can vouch for it because I can see all the seagulls' doings. Pardon? Hello. It's okay, you chill out. Huh. Hello. And then back down to the restaurant-y type area. There you can stop and have a snack or a drink whilst you wait for your taxi boat home. Oh, sleeping seagull. He's having 5 minutes, this bad boy. No aggression there. Sleeping with his eye open though. Oh.